I'll be doing some post notification shout out for the first person who comments under my video. Next video will receive a shout out when I post. So if you want to be in that, please turn on the post notification bell. Click the bell right about now.
From a Dan B, everything Chris. Make sure you don't miss this. Laugh and have a good time. All our vibes. I did Dan B this. Dan B share happiness. Or we can discuss serious topics. Like, comment, subscribe. All our vibes. You need it. It's the Dan B.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Independence, guys. I'm gonna get some shirts. Jamaican. Big up my Jamaicans, I don't know. Oh, so we're go go on the road, buy some shrimp and some crab because my feet, you know, from when I want crab, guys, I know crab now run us. But then I hear about this place down the spot near to the spot I live, so I said no sir. Big up Lexiana, and she make me know about crabby outer road. Also outer road crabby, yeah, down a farm out there. So big up yourself one more time. And so we are going to go raid up the man crabs. Guys, I got so see the Roadside mountain. So 07 near Roadside.
So good see.
Now go over on the mountain.
Everybody. So good see. Wherever you go.
Mommy, it's everywhere you go.
I mean, teacher, this song you will tell me for this song.
You said, where you said?
So good seed wherever you
Oh,
go.
wherever. Come again.
So good seed, everybody. So good seed, wherever you go. Over rocks and mountains, over hills and valleys, wherever you go. Oh, so good seed. Let's find it somewhere.
Alright guys, I don't know.
Alright guys, I don't know.
Don't know, mommy.
Grab time!
I hate that. Alright guys, so I promote the man. Yeah, I promote the man. We need to promote with each other. Don't know. So we are at all of our Lord God, we have to get the man name something. Roundabout Crabby. All about Crabby. Auntie. I'm just, okay, just dung in a crab. Say glad. Thank you, darling. You're welcome. Remember, it's a mukbang. So we are gonna talk while we are eating. We start eating already. I'm making noise, we start eating already. Yeah. And reach home. Yeah. Mommy, you need to do better. You need to pray before the video starts. No. Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's me, D.on't A Brat. I finally make she come back. She's there once again. We're gonna do a mukbang video. We have some crab and we have some shrimp. Tell me what you say.
We're actually celebrating our independence today. Unfortunately, we were prepared for yesterday.
Yeah,
But
some things did happen, you know. You just
circumstances beyond our control. We could not have left home.
so what you built so? You sure you're already a use a serious, a use already?
Take too long to come.
So mama, we are gonna talk about today, okay? We need to talk. It's a mukbang, so we need to talk while we eat.
Wanted seafood? I don't talk, okay?
Guys, so when you eat our fish, you would wonder. So it's a better guys than this and mine.
No problem. Actually, I eat everything. I will leave the tail.
Yeah guys, we're not strict now. We're not take off head and tail and them foolishness. Why? So why, mommy?
Everything that God has to offer.
I'll pork.
No, we're not talking about pork now.
Talking about
Seafood. Alright, so there are a lot of health benefits from crab and shrimp. I don't remember them, but I actually went on Google.
what them say.
I don't remember, but when I checked it out, it's worth eating. Every nitty gritty of it is worth.
So big up outer road crab down at Falmouth.
Oh yeah,
Them fixed it up nice.
shrimp nice, brother.
With some grape.
We got some barbecue crab, which tasted really nice. So we have to go back. We leave the gravy. We kill the crab, but we leave the gravy.
I'm gonna put the shrimp in the gravy.
Not a problem. So it's eating time for me.
Mommy, stop talking, man.
I don't do much talking when I'm eating.
Stop talking, man.
Oh, feel it,
Merciful.
feel. I feel it, feel, man.
Somebody out the road wants some. Stop talking, man. You're beef stuff.
Oh.
And when we eat, we don't. Yeah, fashion and style, they say.
Whatever.
So, mommy, what you think about?
May I bite your tongue?
What you think about people when I eat mango?
May I bite your tongue?
Mommy's a mukbang for a reason. Babe, shake it up and them nice things.
Well, for me,
Not telling like the barbecue sauce wicked. For me, if a person don't eat mango, I don't have a problem with that because everybody have their right to whatever they choose to enjoy. Not because mango is one of my favorite fruit, it means that I must cut down somebody who don't eat mango. The person just don't eat mango, them just don't eat mango. It's simple. You don't eat crab and you don't eat shrimp, that's your business. The person know themselves. Anyway, if you have never been to Trelawney on the roadside, what's the name of the place? Outer Road Krabby. If you never ever got Outer Road Krabby, you need to pay a visit to Outer Road Krabby because I tell you, you must say. At Outer Road Krabby, you get crab cooked. You get it raw, because them raise the crab. You get it barbecued, or you get it curried. One thing I'm short of though, short of some white rice and the curry. And some white rice and curry crab. That's a nice lunch. But pepper? Bring in my eye, man. Juice. Breathe that, you know. Breathe with that reaching off your eye, you know, so you can't take time. I know that. I know that, man. And mommy, stop going so now. Actually, stop going so. Maybe if I was going on like this, the pepper would reach my eyes too. And guys, we have some bread. She have bread, not me. Tell them what we need, what we have the bread for. She is going to be using the bread to clean the back of the crab. And what is at the back of the crab? I will dismiss myself. What's at the back of the crab? You tell them. No man, them some brown things. Them are gonna see. Them are gonna see. Them are gonna see. We're not play. We had do something that you just chow. You could have told me before the video done. After. I never want to choke. Let me chill. Guys, this is the shot. No. Look how you look. We pray? Pray now. Father God, I put this food into your hands. I pray that God for the person that Mommy, I pray that God for the person that prepared it. And I pray that God that it would be nutritious to our body. In your name I pray for those God for those who don't have nothing to eat this evening, I say amen. Mommy, you want to take too long. You don't take God thanks already, it take too long. Shrimp all the way. You say get some big one, man. You say back on a fear and that one there, man. Underneath. It's good when you have a good relationship with your child. I would tell you so. I would tell you that your children. I would tell you that I have good relationship. We wouldn't have been here right now. We wouldn't have journeyed to Trelawney. Who would tell us that I have a good relationship? You wouldn't draw your money out of the bank to come treat me nice. Okay. Let me stop right there. Yeah, I got my things so. For me. Alright now. I know you're gonna call him. There's so much in front of him. So my mother is going to call my brother, guys. Cause we have a thing with him, you know. Yes, Kirk, are you where I talk? Him knows how we love crab. And him live in our area with enough crab there and thing. He promised us. Yeah. But we're gonna make him know, say, was not forthcoming, so we went and found them for ourselves. Cool water, man. This a man and this a man. No, that's a man crab. And as you see, we don't deal with man crab, guys. We deal with them. This is a female crab. When we go to order crab, we make sure that we ask for a female crab. Now, anybody wanna know how the female crab look from the male crab?
Yes, teach them.
Teaching you now. That's my profession. So, on the hair of the crab is narrow. Right here. If you look here, and you look here, you'll realize the difference between the two. So the female crab is wider right here, and the male crab is narrow.
What is happening? What happened?
Putting back the male crab, cause we don't really enjoy male crab.
What is in the female crab?
Female crab has something inside it that tastes real nice, like the egg yolk. Right? It is somewhere in here. Once you find that, you're on your journey. Okay? Hello. Hi. How you doing? My name is Krabby. Hi. Anyway, that was my stepson. That was my stepson. He's a darling. So, we are here enjoying the crab. I'm not call back. Are you started to now? Why? It's can. Look at him. This can look at him. Need a stone.
I need a spoon.
I need something.
We can't.
I can't break it, I am afraid.
You have to put it on something and use your hand and lick it.
With something. You're not seeing Danny. Yeah, so we're glad we wake you up anyway. We can't break it. What? No, it can't work. It can't work like that. It can't work like that.
Yeah?
It can't work like that. You have to break it.
When I ask you, try it and you waste it for yourself.
When man?
When I leave her alone, then that's you call me for.
Hey. No, that not work.
It work and you are too much years to get it doesn't work.
Hello?
I want you to see now.
Oh. Okay. So I'm learning. Yes.
And when you take up with charity, I know you just put your same out and go so.
So people, I have my son teaching me to eat crab all the way from Canada. Oh, just sleeping in a sauna. It's empty. Ah, you get a star for that.
I know.
You see why I had to wake you up though?
I know you would do it, but you want me not quit up.
Really no.
Understand bad meat because go and do this thing.
Okay. Glory, hallelujah.
Yeah, I'm telling you about this.
No, we are the chef and everything in the dung there, so we are the god for dung there, so.
No, alright, watch out now. Watch me now. Watch me now. This is the food them were left on it, the piece of half and food them were left on it. Heard it, let me see it.
When I eat him, I taste the things now when I eat.
And they one.
Ah?
No, them have one. The piece of where food then come out.
Really no.
Yeah, pull it right though.
No, I have to take out. I have to take the egg first. Leave me alone. Guys, I might think this here. Big up the lady over here, so.
What's up?
From my little girl, she'll make me a feed for them things here. So I look so.
It's good for your bones and your teeth.
Kirk, leave me alone now. You know want some? You know want some? I mean, what you call him? For your teeth, you know? Then you can't get none. Oh God. That me I say, I punish him.
No, this is serious.
Make it up.
People eat crab with bread?
No, you will see.
Anyway,
People eat
can't put up your next one. It doesn't have a lot of pepper.
Alright, sister, you bet bust them on. Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying?
No. Stop doing that now, mommy. You invade my privacy, you know.
Sister,
Yes.
bread and noodle, nice, huh?
So guys,
My sister, you know, I wash at the hand for about 2 months.
it's not all that. This
Just for no crab.
so mommy stop talking.
Anyway,
Yes. I'm showing you how the egg look.
You there?
See them?
no egg, none of that. No,
That is the egg.
I only open the back to see the egg. If there's no egg, I don't want it. Son?
Yeah, what you know? That's all I can do. I'm out there. I run water.
You want shrimp?
Yeah, tempt me, you know. Look, ma'am, you know me not. Whatever on the phone, do. A style thing this. Some more than styling.
Next time I know what to do.
No go nowhere. And you know, so we can have this, so we have to show off, Barbie.
Yeah, man, you have to show up for you. Need you in it.
Alright guys, so they're gonna wrap up now cause
Crab done.
it crab not really done in but we kinda done. Belly kinda foolish. The crab shit full up the belly.
Yeah, that's how we say you're big, man, so.
You see you now?
You can't deal with you.
better deal with it. That's another.
Come back here locking, seriously.
Is it not none of them?
Something dishes. Then this is next year last job here.
So guys, thank you for tuning in on D.on't A. I'll be doing some post notification shout out. So the first person who comments under my video next video will receive a shout out when I post. So if you want to be in that, please turn on the post notification bell. Click the bell right about now. Right now. See it there on the screen right now. Alright, so say it's done be buzzing out. Say it, mommy.
It's bees buzzing out.
No, it's done be buzzing out.
It's done be buzzing out.
You know what I'm saying? Bye guys.